The People's Chronicle. Man arrested by SFAs turned up debt at Janims. Posers raised over status of disturbed area. National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited (NHIDCL) no different from BRO, says transporters. Winter session begins. House condoles departed legislators. Imphal Free Press. State-level political convention of MPTCC held. Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association, Manipur, not by state. Involved police and Assam rifle personnel must be booked within 12 hours, says JSC. Sixth session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly begins. Sriji Bhabsar decries conduct of jail authorities. The Morning Bell. Civilian under AR custody found dead. Government agrees magisterial inquiry. Kishore Chandra denied meeting his counsel at Sajiwa jail. Drop National Security Act charges against Kishore Chandra, says journalist bodies. Media needs to be more careful in reporting child sexual violence stories. People realizing the false promises of BJP, says MLA Loken Singh. The Kanglei Park Kanbalut KKL condemns government over detention of Kishore Chandra. Manipur Mail. Strong judiciary system must to have speedy trial, says Justice Nobin. Manipur achieves target of Shobhagya scheme. Union Home Minister says internal security situation in the country has vastly improved. DRI seizes USD 1 million, arrest 2 foreign nationals.